Hi there. I'm with Dean Scarborough from Avery Dennison, and we're just going to touch base a little bit and talk about how sustainability has evolved over the last year in the label industry.
Well, thanks, Danielle. Actually, we've been making a lot of progress in sustainability, really in two big areas. One is the development of our responsible paper sourcing policy, and I'm really just pleased to tell everyone that this year, close to 40% of our face papers in Europe will be FSC certified. And the real good news about the way we're managing our supply chain is that we're able to secure economic sources of FSC pulp and paper, so there's no extra cost for label converters and brands to actually use this product and do it because it's the right thing to do. I've been spending a lot of time this year visiting suppliers, going into rainforests and trying to understand how we can actually someday get to a net positive resource. So actually making sure we're planting more trees than we're actually cutting down. So that's pretty exciting. The other area of product development is how to make other value chains and supply chains more sustainable. And a product that we've won a couple of awards for and we're just really excited about is our Clean Flake portfolio. So I think as you see the graphic here, more than 500 million bottles go to waste because the polyester can't be recycled from the labeling materials. So we had invented an adhesive actually that makes the process where the flake material, the good material, floats to the surface and can be pulled apart, therefore making the PET waste stream a lot more valuable. And then it can go to bottle recycling instead of being downcycled into things like plastic furniture. So those are just two of the areas that I'm feeling really proud about.
So what is your general feeling in the marketplace when you're talking to customers, when you're talking to brand owners about sustainability? Is there still a high level of interest?
I think it's, from my perspective, it's going mainstream. I think certainly in large businesses and in large companies, the big brands that we work with, and certainly other big companies in the industry, and I think it's our role to help make this really easy for the typical label converter. It's really clear to us that we're living in a planet that's going to be warmer, that's going to have scarce resources, and it's going to be more transparent. And so once you realize that's the environment we're living in, you start to open your eyes and thinking about how can we innovate around all three of these areas. And we're making good progress. It's a long journey though, and we've got a long way to go.
Just to move off of sustainability real quickly, one of the topics we just discussed on a panel was the Internet of Things and the whole idea of big data. Avery Dennison is participating in the Smartmart here at the show. Do you want to talk a little bit about that area of the industry and how things are moving?
Yes, as most folks know, our tagline is Inspired Brands and Intelligent World. So I've always had a fundamental belief that labels do a great job to carry information. And we've migrated from handwritten labels to barcodes and now to radio frequency identification. And I think at some point in the future, almost every package and every label will be somehow linked to the internet and be able to be tracked. It'll be part of the consumer story. It'll be part of running more efficient and effective supply chains. And we're still at the sort of the tip of the iceberg so far, so we got a long way to go. But I think somebody said it at the conference this morning that packaging is going to become an integral part of not only the brand messaging, but linking to the brand message itself. So I think that's pretty exciting if you're in the labeling business.
Absolutely. Yes, there's room for growth. It's very good. Well, thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful show.
Thank you.